The young man who killed a local college student inside of her apartment at the University of Virginia back in 2010 will be staying in prison. Tonight, the mother and sister of Yeardley Love of Cockeysville say they want to keep their focus on fighting back against domestic violence. But let's face it, keeping George Huguely behind bars is a big victory for them. ABC 2 News' Christian Schaefer covered Huguely's murder trial. He's live again in the newsroom tonight.
It is a big victory for the Love family, Jamie. In a 34-page opinion, a panel of judges from Virginia's Court of Appeals rejected every argument made by George Huguely's lawyers, so he won't be getting a new trial, at least not now. He does still have a couple more legal options left. During his trial, one of George Huguely's two attorneys, Rhonda Quagliana, was sick on the day she was supposed to question a defense witness. His other attorney, Francis Lawrence, did the questioning instead. The jury in Charlottesville convicted Huguely of second-degree murder. In his appeal, Huguely argued the trial should have been delayed to give Quagliana a chance to recover. The panel of judges from the Virginia Court of Appeals rejected that argument, writing, "There is no indication that Ms. Quagliana's absence had a meaningful effect on the style or manner in which those defense witnesses were examined by defense counsel." Huguely's other arguments that some of the members of the jury should have been rejected and that the instructions given to the jury by the judge in the case were improper were rejected by the panel as well. Charlottesville attorney Scott Goodman followed the trial.
This does not end the process. Mr. Huguely's lawyers do have the right to ask the full Court of Appeals to rehear the same issues, or failing that, they can go to the Supreme Court of Virginia.
Goodman does not give Huguely much chance of winning a new trial, but he does expect him to try.
It is very rare, and it's a long shot. But somebody sitting in jail with a 23-year prison sentence like he has no reason not to try it to see if they will agree with his points on the issue of whether or not he received a fair trial.
Meanwhile, Yeardley Love's mother has built an organization called One Love, aimed at preventing domestic violence, even calling for a National One Love Day. Sharon Love and her other daughter, Lexi, released a statement on the failure of George Huguely's appeal, writing, quote, "We would like to thank everyone who has supported us throughout this entire process. We are relieved and ready to put this chapter behind us so that we can devote our full efforts toward building the One Love Foundation and continue to raise awareness about relationship violence." George Huguely was 22 years old at the time of the murder. He is now 26. Assuming the rest of his appeals fail, he's expected to be in prison until his early 40s. We have more information about the One Love Foundation on our website, abc2news.com. Live in the newsroom, Christian Schaefer, ABC 2 News.